Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your HP Deskjet printer back to factory settings in 2026. Now, the factory reset is going to help fix the issues like the Wi-Fi problems or the error codes or printer not responding or connection failures. So in order to basically do it, first of all, you need to make sure that your printer is turned on. After that, we are going to use the buttons on the printers. So here you are going to see these buttons on the printers. If I show you how these are going to look, so you can see these are the buttons that you are going to see on your printer. So among these buttons, you just have to press and hold the cancel button and the black copy button together for 5 seconds. Now, if your model doesn't have the black copy button, you can also use the cancel button and the copy button instead. Now keep holding until the printer restarts or the light begin flashing. So you are going to see the orange light, the white light and this blue light. So among these, if you see any of the lights flashing, it simply means that you are in the factory reset mode or you have successfully factory reset. So after the printer turn back on, you just have to basically look for it and you will see that it is reset completely, which means that it clears the Wi-Fi settings, saved the devices and the temporary errors are also resolved. So your printer is now like new. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.